Okay, I'm on the inverted now. We can see our beauties more clearly. So here is a floating state, floating state, floating state. There are many forms in it. It's another floating state. And here is a suspected cyst. This one has a lot of food in it, and the hyaloplasm all over. You can see the wrinkles. Maybe I'll switch. I'll put the 1.5 lens in. Okay. Now you can see the wrinkles. I'll also adjust the color correction because they're a bit high. Yeah, now we see it more clearly. Now it's CV and no movement. I'm adjusting the color correction. Here is a very nice candidate for a cyst. Completely globular, only a trace of the granular material, and you can see the nucleus here. Let's see what else we get. Here is a very fine example of a cyst candidate. Okay, what else we got here? Now you can see the floating state. Here's a definitely eye keeping for food. I want to do a Thecas experiment tomorrow to put some food on a far edge and see if they're going for it. So you see morphism is all over. But aside from the perfectly globular ones, the other ones are not cysts. Let's switch to the 40 for a sec. Yeah, here's a nice view. I'll adjust it as well. So here's a nice view of the nucleus and CV. Food. This one is completely filled with food. They're so high, like 100 microns. So depth of field is very difficult. Nucleus. All the thick amoebas are mononucleus. They were just transferred to the dish, so they haven't adopted the locomotive form yet. Some of them don't switch to the locomotive form at all. They just stay flat, floating around. I've seen it in the literature. It depends on the species. Some species don't like attaching to glass. So this one is going to be my batch for the next few days, I think. Tomorrow I'll take the globular ones to the upright for a deep investigation. This one seems empty. No nucleus. Nothing. Just an empty sac. This one may be on the way to encyst. This one also looks empty, but you can see there is the nucleus on the left. And again, wow, only hyaloplasm. Where's the nuclei? Somewhere here, I guess. Inside the food. Okay, good night for now.